Hi and welcome. Let's make a website. You can start with a blank page or choose a template. You can start with a default content or ask our AI to generate something for you. This is your future page. You can add some more components or edit the existing ones. Let's ask our AI to do some job. I will ask it to add some emoji to the first component. It will look more playful. Nice. I want to replace this button with a form. Let's hit form and add a new field. I also need a form integration to collect my leads. Hit connect new integration. I will go with Google Sheets. It's the most simple one. I'll hit connect, choose an account, give it all permissions, and hit continue. Unicorn platform will create a blank page in Google Sheet. Here, all the leads of your form are stored. As you see, it's blank now. Let's submit some data. I hit save changes and publish my page. This is my page. I will send some test data here. Success. And as you can see, it's instantly here. One more. Hop. Done. You can connect a custom domain for your project. Just hit the save button. Subdomains work too. If you have any questions, you can hit this icon and chat with our team. If you like what you saw, sign up and try our tool today. It's easy to make a website.